Hi friends, welcome you all to a new tutorial video. In this tutorial video, we are going to see how to use the curve driven pattern. So let's begin. First I am making one rough 3D sketch where I can show the just an example, show the how the curve driven pattern can apply. So for that I am just selecting top plane, normalizing it, sketch, making a center rectangle. Okay, roughly the dimension doesn't matter. Then exit sketch, features, select sketch, extrude bows. Yeah, I'm just making okay 0.33 inch. Okay, this plate we got. Yeah, now I am making it to normalize. Now we are going to apply the curve driven pattern. So for that I need a one pattern, means one entity I need. So for that I'm creating one hole here, from sketch, circle. Okay, on this plane I'm just creating to inside. Okay, creating one hole. Okay, and exit sketch, and again I select sketch, extrude cut, uh, cut through it. Again I normalized. Okay, now you can see one hole is here, and I want to drive these holes over the surface via a curve. For that I want to draw first a curve. First select, and I choose the spline. Okay, I'm selecting one center, and I am roughly making one curve. So I just want to show you how effective it is. I'm just adjusting the curve by doing some. Now how to apply the curve driven feature. I'm going to select going to features, linear pattern, and curve driven pattern. So just click on it. First you have to pattern direction that you already sketch 3 already selected. How many space equal. Okay, then face to normal, features to face, cut. You select features to face, cut, extrude, that is the whole. So you increase the entity number equal spacing. Otherwise you can give the space like in here, and if you click equal spacing it will be in equal space automatically. You need to enter the numbers. Otherwise you can give the spacing, and you can offset the curve, tangent, align to seed. So there are plenty of options, you can go through it. This is the simplest way of doing how to use the curve driven pattern. For advanced, for other applications like this offset curve, tangent to curve, the curve method, alignment method, these are the advanced features. So for that you have to wait for the next video or upcoming video. I will make with a proper design product or something like that. So anyway, thank you for watching me. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask in the comments, and your likes will support me. So give you a good support and happy learning. Thank you guys. Bye bye.